If you thought this was aluminum foil in a Ziploc bag, it's actually an emergency blanket, and they retain about 90% of your radiated body heat. They're windproof, they're waterproof, so some would say they got you covered. I'm gonna be making a full fit out of these weird things you never would have thought to sew. And with that said, piece number 1. I wouldn't recommend trying this at home because the material tears really easily, so the stitches aren't gonna hold forever, but it's got this cool metallic look to it, and it's not a long-term vest, but a vest nonetheless. The next item I'm sewing that's weird is a gator floaty. Actually, several gator floaties. And you'll find with these materials that I'm using, like some of them, not all of them, but some of them are just too soft and rip too easily to be really using in a long-term garment. But it's kind of fun. Like a lot of them have these cool properties like the metallic reflection, or this gator design has, you know, a gator design on it. So it's very experimental, and I feel like these ideas could actually bring a new idea that you can actually create with more longer lasting materials in the future. So get experimental with it, test it out. And I know some of you have seen my ice cream pants and you might be thinking, I've probably seen it all, but nah. Glory Allan had to go and make gator pants. Elastic waistband at the top, gators up and down the leg. No scales, no alligators, crocs harmed in the making. You got these little crocodile gator hands swinging around when you're walking. We all scream for ice cream, and I'm gonna see you later, gator. On to item number 3. A lunch bag. Who here is trying to sew with a lunch bag? Probably no one, because there's not a lot of material to work with. But what's key about a lunch bag is that material or fabric that actually keeps the food cold. That way your juice is actually refreshing and your sandwich isn't warm. Let's make some kind of mature lunch bag, something you'd be proud to put in the fridge. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I had hesitations cutting this up. I know we're sewing weird things, but this pillow is just so soft and fluffy and cute to look at. I just want to run my fingers through it all day. But we out here sewing weird things, and to be honest, I think this is my favorite piece. It's hard to tell what's gonna be your favorite when you're sewing these random materials because you don't know what's gonna come out, but the outcome of this pink fluffy thing was probably my favorite. So all I did was make a bucket hat, but I left out the brim, so you just have the band and the top. And it actually came out blessed. Close second would be the alligator pants. Only thing weirder than these materials is me. Oh.